Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video for Ross Wristwatch Love. And yo, check this out. It's early in the morning here in the Nasty Natty. You understand? I just got the notification that my Amazon package is coming, that my sister-in-law bought me. Thank you, sister-in-law Maureen. I love you. You know what I'm saying? It should be here any minutes, 3 stops away. So let's check this out and we're going to do this special unboxing. What we rocking right now is the vintage Timex Viscount from 1969. The reason why I'm wearing this and I'm showing y'all because we're about to do a strap change right now. Yeah, and there it is, y'all. The strap change of the Timex Viscount. Look at that. Blue leather strap. Yo, ain't that the bomb shiggity right there? Look at that. Look at that right quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to go in the other room so we can take a closer look at it right quick. Here it is right here on the wrist. Timex Viscount with the brand new blue leather strap. Oh, ain't that hot? That is so hot. So sexy. You understand? So, what's up? Yo, let's get into it right quick. Amazon package has arrived. Let's see what we got up in this trunk. Alright. Rip it off. Just like that. Damn, what the hell? What kind of phone? Amazon. Okay. Cool, yo. Now, check this out. This is what we got. Casio. You know what I'm saying? Casio. And what type of Casio is it? Let's see. Y'all ready? The Casio World Time. Yes. Woo. That joint is looking good, baby. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. The Casio World Time. Again, thanks, Maureen, sister-in-law. Love you to death. Appreciate this. Appreciate you. But here we go. There it is. The Casio World Time. You understand? Great looking watch. Casio is the shiznit. Okay? Now, the second thing she bought me a bag of NATO straps. You know what I mean? You know. So, there it is. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got up in here. Yeah, it's 8 NATO straps. You know what I mean? You know. Come with the spring bar tool. You know, some extra pins. But that is basically it. You understand? So, it's your boy P. Ross. There it is. Casio World Time. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Long ass time. So I finally got one. And there it is. Peace. This your boy P. Ross. Ross Wristwatch Love. And we out.